Alright, so everybody, here's a friendly security guard of this parking. Defense parking, here we come. Here's the mold that we went 3 years ago. Looks nice. Ooh, this parking is narrow. This is like parkways, right? Yes. Right, Elinor? Yeah. Alright, everybody. That's it. Wow, this is like roller coasters. We could get a nice view right here. Oh, so scary this is. Parking ramps. Alright, that's it. Here are the elevators, but we're waiting for it to come. Here's the elevator. Alright. Alright, here we go.
8?
Yes.
I'm Fluttershy. Nice view. Hey, Airy Pony. I'm Fluttershy. Bye, everybody. I'm Fluttershy. Enjoy the view.
It's gonna go up first before it. No, that's where we started.
Yeah, I know.
Here's the view of this elevator.
We're almost to the room.
Yep.
Fluttershy.
Next is 8 or 6.
Eight.
Alright, that's it. Alright, so everybody, this ramp looks a little scary at the Stamford Town Center parking garage. Scariest narrow ramp at Stamford Town Center. Yes. We're using 60 because I'm posting this on YouTube Shorts. Although I'm using landscape right now. Right, Fluttershy?
Yes.
We're in 60. We're gonna go back to 40, or I don't know, I mean 30 of this. Although YouTube Shorts supports only portrait. Alright, let me get Elinor. Sorry. What do you think about the creepiest ramp?
Yes.
So narrow than parkways. Alright, so everybody, that'll be it. Thank you for visiting the city of Stamford, Connecticut. That's it.